Okay, andito na tayo. Tony Parker. Tony Parker. Oh, yung mga fans dyan ng San Antonio Spurs, ito na yung hinihintay nyo, no? Ito yung legendary point guard nyo. I-review natin. I-unbox natin yung kanyang signature shoes. So, recently, medyo umaangat na yung Chinese brand ng mga basketball shoes. Peak, Anta, Li-Ning, may lumalabas na X-Step, 361 na ginamit ni Aaron Gordon sa Slam Dunk. It's really normal now. The new normal is some new basketball kicks from Chinese. At eto nga, syempre, kilalang kilala nyo to. The legendary point guard of the San Antonio Spurs. Nag-retire na siya, of course, Mr. Tony Parker. And just before the lockdown, no, I think end of the year last year, nagsimula itong i-release yung dual box, dalawang sapatos. So mandaming nag-abang dun sa technology ni Peak na Tai Chi, at they incorporated it dito sa bagong sapatos ni Tony Parker. This is the 7th one, Tony Parker's TP7. So ito na. Yeah. Mabigat siya. At matatabunan ako. Ayan. Peak. Kita nyo, the Peak logo, mabigat. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, dalawa to. This is a special box, special release ng Tony Parker 7 na hindi ko alam kung nasuot niya to or what. But dalawang shoes siya, yung isa yung TP7 at yung first shoe niya with Peak, ito yung TP1 and TP7. So first and last na sapatos niya ng paglalaro with Peak. So ayan, box pa lang, nakita nyo na. So ang bigat niya talaga, sobra, para akong bumili ng drawer. So specialized to. I got this at bago pa mag-lockdown, no? So I got this dun sa Peak Riverbank. Super premium tong ginawa ng Peak na to. This is a nice box and it's really good. Ang presyo nito, you can get it at 9,900 something, almost 10,000. So buksan na natin siya and let's get on to the details. Okay, lightning speed muna tayo. Ito una. Ang ganda. Ngayon ko lang napansin din yung box sa gilid. Nice. So ito nga yan, dito yung mga achievements ni Tony Parker. 4-time NBA champion siya at 1-time finals MVP. At syempre 6-time all-star yan. So let's take this off. Stars, parang pang all-stars to. So ito yung unang-unang sapatos ni Tony Parker with Peak. Lightning, as they call. Nakamangha. Natatamimi ako. Kung makikita nyo siya sa personal, you should do. And yun nga, I got this at Marikina Riverbanks. Check it out, no? Meron din silang outlet store sa Ever Commonwealth. So TP1, as they call, before the first one na TP1 na tinawag. So ito yon. So Tony Parker's first shoe with Peak. One thing's for sure, sobrang gaan itong pair na to. Yung looks niya, medyo deceiving kasi kala niya bakal eh. You can play with this. Parang ito na yata yung lightest na basketball shoes na nahawakan ko, na hindi siya knit, prime knit or fly knit. Amazing. So yung upper niya, kaya masyado siyang magaan is composed of mga mesh. Ayan, mesh na parang kulambo. So parang vent siya actually, kung titingnan mo siya, vent siya ng sports car. And kung mapapansin mo along that way, ito yung parang synthetic leather but medyo premium ng kaunti. Sa heel naman niya, super padded yung heel, but sa loob hindi gaano, no? But here, makikita nyo yung pad niya dito sa counter. And Tony Parker's name is there, Parker number 9. Ito ang amazing, no? The tongue is manipis lang siya, but it's very breathable at itong padded na tela. So ito yung makita nyo yung tela sa tongue na ayan, net type. So punta tayo sa midsoles. Ito yung very controversial, I think Tai Chi siya, and ang lambot nung kanyang midsoles. So sobrang komportable nito. Nasukat ko na siya actually. Puro naman ako actually. Nasukat ko na siya dun sa store at malambot talaga siya. At mayroong speckles of blue na nag-sparkling dyan sa midsole na yan. At makikita ba siya? I don't know. Okay. So basta meron siyang, ayan o. Meron siyang speckles of blue. So I think the comfort of this will definitely give you a heck of a ball game. So outsoles tayo. Ito yung very unique. Kasi magkaiba yung kanyang, ito yung parang tinatawag nilang gradual cushion. Gradient cushion. So parang Zoom Air ito ng Nike. And yung outsoles niya is translucent, composed siya ng herringbone technology. At syempre all-star si Tony Parker, sikat na sikat. Mapapansin nyo may speckles of silver na translucent siya, ang ganda tignan. At hugis star po yan. So with the outrigger here, ayan, makikita nyo outrigger, it protects your toes actually. Merong peak na parang may air din dito. Actually you can press it, and there's a plate here, and torsion plate dito ang tawag nila, but this is soft. Sana matapos na tong virus, makapaglaro na tayong basketball dahil mukhang magiging Tony Parker ako dito. So ito na yung TP first before the TP1. And promise, maganda sa personal. Kung may time kayo pumunta sa Riverbanks Peak, punta kayo sa Ever Commonwealth Peak, punta kayo, mas ma-appreciate nyo siya sa personal. So yung part 2 natin, yung recent na sapatos niya, signature shoe. We don't know kung yun ay huli for Peak, but it's the TP7 special edition. Thank you, brothers and sisters. God bless.